Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Skylight calendar powers on but the touchscreen doesn't respond to taps or swipes, it can make managing schedules and family events difficult. Touch related problems on the Skylight calendar can happen because of temporary software glitches, delayed startup processes, screen contamination, or outdated system software. Fortunately, an unresponsive display doesn't always mean that the hardware itself has failed. In many situations, a few simple troubleshooting methods can restore normal touch functionality. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that may help get your Skylight calendar touchscreen working again. Try these. Step 1. Gently clean the surface of the Skylight calendar to remove dust or moisture. Step 2. Make sure the Skylight calendar has completed startup and is functioning normally in the background. Step 3. Restart the Skylight calendar to refresh the operating system. Step 4. Unplug the Skylight calendar from power for several minutes and then reconnect it. Step 5. Check whether software updates are available for the Skylight calendar and install them if necessary. Step 6. Test multiple areas of the Skylight calendar screen and confirm that touch controls are responding properly again.